Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel TechPon. In this video I'm going to show you how you can sign up for Crunchyroll. To learn how to do it, please make sure to stick with us till the end of the video and follow our instructions correctly. So without further ado, let's get started. So the very first step is to install Crunchyroll to your mobile device. So go to your Play Store and search for Crunchyroll and install it to your phone. So you can see that I have already installed it on my phone. I'm going to tap on open. Now open your application on your mobile device. So now you can see that there are different options. You can explore free trial if you want to, or you can log into your account if you have already made your account. But we have the last option to create account. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can create account on Crunchyroll. Tap on create account, and now you have to type on your email address and your password. I'm going to do that and tick on I want all the latest Crunchyroll info, offers and news if you want to, and tap on create account. And now we are not going to purchase anything for now. Just tap on skip for now. And now you can see that you have already made your Crunchyroll account. So I hope it was very easy. That's it for today. Thank you for watching our video. Don't forget to drop like and subscribe to our channel. We'll keep posting videos like this. See you in the next video.